Hey guys, it's me, Amanda. I am here with my friend Autumn.
Hey.
Sorry about this bad camera angle. I've got it at a weird situation. There's a pole, so I have to like lean a little to see where I'm at. So I might not be centered. So if you have OCD, perfectly, yeah. If you have CDO, please don't watch this because I know you'll go ballistic if it's off-centered. So today we are going to be turning basically these rocks into beautiful crystals, so minerals into crystals, which is awesome because our 8th grade science is the subject of minerals, so perfect.
And if you notice, she's doing purple and then I'm doing pink, and you can basically get them from any dollar store.
Tree, dollar store, Dollar General, anything. They're $4 actually, so that was really cool. We're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you what I have here, and she has the same thing, just a different mineral packet. We both have a mineral spatula. We both have the same 2 rocks. I think mine's split in half. No, yeah, it's the same. I have purple, she has pink, and we have instructions which she's going to be reading off on the side. So the first thing we need to do is
we need to carefully remove the plastic on the front of the product and fill the display pedestal to about 3/4 full with cold water, and then we need to pour the water into a container.
Okay, so this is the product, yes?
Yes.
Into this.
No, we're not pouring that in there yet.
Okay, so just open
We're taking our cold water.
Yes. Oh, yeah, and on the side we have hot water in this little glass and cold water in this tall glass.
We're filling it about 3/4 full. So.
And we both have this little container with a spoon to stir it.
Yeah.
What are you filling that with? Is that a full?
I think it'd be best if we took this. That's probably easier. Okay, probably about 1 or 2 more. When you fill it 3/4 full.
Yeah, but you also need the hot water.
Yeah. Okay. There you go. So it should be filled pretty good.
I'll show you on mine.
Yeah.
Let me just
probably. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact, but try and get as close to 3/4 full. Okay. And then you're also going to need like a container and a spoon.
Yes.
Just because you really need it.
I have that as well. We both have the same thing except for the packets, as we said. So the next thing we need to do is
we need to pour the water into a container.
So
yeah,
take this. You know, we could have just done that in the first place. Thanks, science, for being smarticles. Let me read this.
And
school to about cold water poured into a container.
You also want to remember, like around where the 3/4 was.
Yes, you might want to notice where the water goes. So.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our hot water. Ours is kind of warm right now. It should balance out the cold water.
It's kind of cold out here, but we've got our sleeves up because we need to do this.
Yeah. And we're going to pour it into the same level as the cold water.
So make sure you eye the level of your water.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to pour it straight into that.
I think I'm just going to take this. That'd probably be easy. I think I'm just going to start out with this one. I think that'd be easier if I do that. Okay, I think that's good. That should be good. So now I'm gonna start by taking this.
Okay.
I'm gonna fill it the same. I find it a little easier to do it with the little pedestal thing it came with. That way you have about the same one. Amanda, I think you went a little overboard. Okay.
Wait, what?
Yeah, pour it out a little bit. And I think that might be good.
Yeah,
that's good. Okay. And now we need to open our crystal powder, which is this, with the little mineral. Okay. And we need to pour 3/4 of the bag into the container, which is where we're gonna pour it into this container with
little
the
bunny over there.
Yeah. Oh, there's a
There's
bunny.
a bunny in the trees.
Okay. So we're practically just gonna.
Yeah, be careful with this part.
So.
Oh, we put it in there?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Pour 3/4 of it though.
Oh,
Okay.
3/4? Oh,
Yes.
crap.
3/4 of the bag.
Wait, all of
3/4
it or no?
No, like 3/4 of the bag. So you should have a little bit left.
Okay, so how much? 'Cause I poured a lot in here. I'm gonna eye what you have. You didn't put as much as I did in.
I mean, I'm taking it slow and easy.
I had no idea. You told me nothing of it.
Okay. I think I'm just gonna pour a little bit more.
How's that smell? Ooh, that smells pretty good.
I mean, it smells good.
The minerals, look, smell inside that.
Yeah. Okay.
How much do you have? You don't even have that much left.
Yeah, you should only have like this much left. So you should have about this much left because the bag should be separated into 3. So 1, 2, like 3 or 4.
Great.
So that should be good.
Okay.
And
now
then-
stir. Yes.
Yes, we're gonna mix it until it is dissolved. So you should not be able to see the.
So this is like a Alka-Seltzer where you wanna basically stir it until you don't see the substance. You just see the water with color. I don't know.
I'm taking mine easy.
I don't have a stir song, so I'm just gonna pause this. And we're back. Okay, so after a long time of stirring, and I hate this, mine didn't dissolve really, but I kind of just gave up, so I thought I'd put too much in, which we did, so we both took some minerals out and some water, so I added some hot water, because, you know, dissolving.
I'm still stirring mine.
She's still stirring, and
All of it's not dissolved yet.
mine is, yeah. It's like Alka-Seltzer, but it takes a lot longer. So we've chosen our base rock, basically, and we chose this bigger rock. It might not be the same. Yeah, they're the same rock, but mine's a little more polished with this, a little less polished, actually. And she chose
I chose
that one.
this one.
It's the same rock. Both of them
mean-
are the same rocks, but
I mean, it comes with 2 rocks. You can really choose. And,
so yeah. Oh, my nose hurts. Sinuses. God, I hate them.
and this is only enough for 1 rock, just so you know, okay?
Yep, so choose your rock wisely. Let's see. Well, while she's stirring, I'm gonna look at the instructions. Okay. So let's just place the display pedestal from the front of the package on a flat surface with newspaper underneath. Put the chemical solution into the display pedestal. Spray the remaining crystal grow faster. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So the instructions tell me take the base, the display pedestal from the start of the package, from the front of the package, and you basically want to take your base rock, pour the chemical solution, they call it, this stuff you've been mixing with the powder and the water, put it onto it, fill it up, make sure you soak the rock, and it's okay if it spills a little, just have some newspaper, and I have some excess, and then after that, it tells me take the crystal of what you have left, the mineral package, remember I told you don't use all of it, and this is where it comes in. You take the rest, and you sprinkle it on. Sprinkle it in, sprinkle it on, and that'll help it grow faster.
Oh, you just made yours fall.
No, it's
It's-
supposed to be that way.
It's supposed to go on top of the rock.
No.
Because that's where these come from.
And just grab them then.
Okay, the thing is that if it is not, like, mine's still not dissolved, she just went ahead and did it. I don't think it would hurt much just to go ahead and do it. Just try and keep the rest of the minerals that aren't, like, dissolved and
I
everything.
think it just grows like stalactites.
Yeah.
Or stalagmites.
Yeah. So,
So
You know,
it just
mine's
grows up
almost.
from the minerals, not the rock. I think the rock is just the support. Oh, nice. Oh, yours is gonna. Now, what are we to do with the wooden spatula? Just.
Doesn't say anything.
Are we missing a page? Or maybe I'm supposed to. I'm just using it for this. I don't know how it happened.
I think it's just okay. So with the wooden spatula, I think that's just to like move around the crystals. Cause I mean,
Hey,
sorry,
whoa.
they're kind of gonna be small and they're kind of gonna be big. So you really don't know like what's there and what's not. So I think they give it to you just to like move it around.
I just
and
went
look
ahead
at
and touched them.
Okay. So.
I am not a sanitary person. Pew. But I don't like germs. I don't care what chemical I touch. I just hate being sick, so.
Here's mine.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay.
Yours is gonna grow really pretty. And it says 3 to 4 hours it'll grow. I'm not keeping the video on for that long. So, if you have any questions, put it in the comment below. Don't be hateful.
Please.
Guess there. We know we're blonde.
Shut up.
It's a comment I've heard a lot. But I don't care. Because hair doesn't affect your brain. At least from my knowledge, I've heard nothing of the sort.
Okay, well, I'm pretty sure that's all.
Is this your show?
I'm pretty sure it's all. Yeah.
Yes, that is all. I'm going to go ahead and show yours. Show that it's better than mine.
That's because I kept stirring. I stirred long enough. I mean, you might even have some excess. So,
You're supposed to pour it all in.
I mean, I have excess left. So, I think I might just try and do
I
it
want to see what happens.
with this. No.
I'm going to do it.
Baby, won't you come?
I poured some excess in. I'm going to
I
pour
think.
the rest out.
No, I think I'm going to try it with this one.
Seriously?
I want to see what'll happen.
No, I'm going to toss it.
But I just have excess.
I don't care. Let me toss it. I got a fun way of doing this. Camera angle, and I saw that face. Hit the trees. Yes.
Okay, well.
Yeah. It's your face. That was your face. That was my Victoria Science dance. You want to show your face that you did behind camera?
No.
When I was mean to you?
No, it's ugly.
When I was mean to you?
You're always mean to me.
I know. I like being mean.
Well, we have excess water, so I'm going to be doing what you do.
Oh, I'm going to do the hot water.
Why?
Because it's funny.
My turn.
Careful.
Okay. And
So that's all we have for today, and this is our mess. All that. Yeah.
our beautiful mess.
And that one.
Hey. You're a mess too.
I know, I'm a mistake. So yeah, that's all we have for today. Goodbye, I hope to see you again.